So here we have the Vauxhall Crossland X on a 69 plate. I'm going to start off firstly by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. From the outside, you can see it's a 5-door car with alloy wheels. We're going to start off in the boot area of the vehicle first. As we approach the back of the car, you can see we have plenty of boot space along with that 60-40 split folding rear seat, should you wish to increase this space even further again. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back around to the front of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside, as I mentioned. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. On the left-hand side, first of all, we have the rev counter. On the right-hand side, the speedometer. In the middle at the top, we have the fuel gauge and coolant temperature gauges. And beneath that, you can see, again, a digital readout for the speedometer. And at the very bottom of that section, the total miles for this car, which are 30,532. You can change information that's displayed there for various bits of trip computer and fuel economy information. If we back out to the steering wheel, we have our cruise control, speed limiter, stereo and phone controls. And then into the center, the main screen for the car, which you can get back to home screen from the physical button just here. And then it all becomes touchscreen. So for example, pairing your phone, you can do either by hitting that or the phone button just here. We have a settings menu. We can project certain Vauxhall friendly apps up onto this screen via your smartphone. And then when it comes to audio options in this car, we've got AM, FM and DAB radio, USB input and Bluetooth audio as well. Working our way down, we have the air conditioning. So you can adjust the temperature, fan speed and direction the air is being distributed in. The air conditioning is on when that light shows. Same button will turn it off again. You can recirculate the air that's in the car. That's a great way of heating it up or cooling it down quickly, depending on the temperature you've set over here. We have a 12-volt charging socket and USB input. Plenty of storage there as well. In front of the gear lever, we can put the child locks on. We can turn off the stop and start. This car is designed to cut out when it's stationary in traffic to save you fuel. That system is turned off when that light shows. We can turn off our lane departure warning system. We can reset the tyre deflation warning system and turn the traction control off from here as well. And then, as you can see, we have a 5-speed manual gearbox. And lastly, 2 cup holders as well. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car for yourself and have a test drive, please feel free to give us a call here at Surrey Specialist Cars. We'd love to hear from you.